Check out this 2002 Honda Odyssey EX-L. 2002 Honda Odyssey EX-L. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 184,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. 2002 Honda Odyssey EX-L 4-door minivan with power sliding doors, middle row captain seats and lots of rear cargo space, leather power seats, power windows. 3.5L V6 automatic with 183K. This van runs great and has excellent safety ratings. Price to sell at $3,995. Ask about our easy in-house financing. 406-442-2931. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. Key features include automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, traction control, DVD player, and power windows.